Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I upcycled this vest top. I will show you videos how I transformed this vest top pattern and how I sewed it together. First, I'm shortening my vest top length and I'm shortening it to 14 inches. And now I'm lowering the neckline and I'm changing it to V-neck, as you can see there. Next, I'm using the cut-off hem for my sleeves and I'm making 2 sleeves out of the cut-off hem. And I'm cutting each corner on each sleeve. Now sewing. First, I will be hemming a hemline on this top. I'm overlocking the hemline edge and sewing a top stitch on a hemline edge. This is my finished hemline. Next, I will be attaching and pinning this ribbon on the top center. Also, as you can see there, I have sewed that ribbon edge to secure from fraying. And this is how it looks pinned in the center. On the left side I have pinned this ribbon, as you can see, and now I'm going to sew 3 seams on this top. This is how it looks when I sew those 3 seams on the top of the ribbon. 1, 2, 3. And this is how it looks on the right side. That's the left side and this is the right side. And next I will be pulling through that ribbon on those 2 seams. I'm using a safety pin to pull those ribbons through those 2 seams, and I have burned the edges on 4 sides of these ribbons so they don't fray. Now I'm entering the second ribbon and I'm pinning that on the top so they don't go away, and this is how it looks. Next, I'm going to sew the neckline of this top. The ribbon is on the left side and that's the right side. I am overlocking the neckline and sewing the top stitch on the neckline, and this is how it looks on the right side, and the ribbon is on the left side. Next, I will be gathering these sleeves and sewing on the top of the shoulders on both sides. I have marked my points where I want my sleeves to be, gathering the top of each sleeve, and I'm sewing those sleeves on the sleeve shoulders like that, and I'm repeating the same on the other sleeve. Basically, I have gathered just the very top bit, and now I'm sewing those sleeves on the top of the shoulders, and that's it. My top is finished. Both sleeves are on, ribbon is entered, hemline is done, neckline is done, and it's good to go. Ta-da! And these are pictures before and after. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time.